Two insurance giants trusted by millions, only one can come out on top. Which one truly protects your peace of mind? In one corner we have Farmers Insurance, known for their customizable coverage and local agents. In the other, USAA, famous for serving military members and their families with top-tier service. Let's skip the gimmicks and marketing speak and dig into what really matters. We'll break it down category by category, each will earn points, so you'll see exactly who wins where. You may be surprised at who takes the lead. Okay, before we start, let's take a quick look at the categories we're going to break down. Price and discounts, coverage options, digital experience, customer satisfaction, availability, and, of course, the claims process. This will help us keep score as we go, and you'll get the full picture. First up, price and discounts. Alright, let's talk Farmers first. They've got some decent bundling deals and even give good student savings, which is nice if you're looking to save a bit. But honestly, when you stack them up against others, their average premiums are a bit on the higher side. Now, USAA, oh man, they're pretty much the teacher's pet when it comes to discounts. Military families, loyal members, you name it, they have solid options. And yeah, their prices, usually lower all around. The only hang-up, you gotta qualify for membership, which is a bummer if you don't have the military connection. Still, for those who do, USAA is the clear winner here. Let's move on to coverage options. Farmers is honestly kind of a beast when it comes to choices. You want rideshare, new car replacement, all sorts of add-ons, they got it. And you can always get help from a local agent, which feels super personal. A quick heads up, though, a lot of these extras do cost you more. Now, USAA, solid basic coverage, no doubt. They include most of what you'd expect right out of the box, but there's not quite as many fancy add-ons compared to Farmers. So if you love having options and customizing, Farmers wins this one all day. Now let's talk tech, the digital experience. Farmers lets you do your claims and payments online, which, hey, is pretty standard these days. But honestly, their app kinda feels behind the times compared to others. USAA though, wow, they absolutely crush it here. Their app's top-rated, claims are super easy to file digitally and you can just pull up your insurance card on your phone, no hassle. The only hiccup? It's all members only, so again, you need to actually be eligible to get in. But for those who are, USAA takes the prize. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. USAA members can actually save even more on car rentals and shopping. Yeah, there are bonuses on top of just being a member. Pretty sweet perk, right? Customer satisfaction is a big one, right? So, Farmers actually does decently when it comes to building those real relationships with their agents, people like that local connection. Their ratings are okay in some regions, but if you dig into the national numbers, yeah, it's a bit mixed. Some claims get lower ratings and a few J.D. Power surveys, not so great. USAA though, oh man, military families love them. They basically live at the top of the J.D. Power charts and you'll hear loyalty come up again and again. Yes, membership only, but for the people who get in, it's a total win. On to availability. Farmers is basically everywhere, public coverage, all 50 states. No hoops, no fine print. If you want coverage, you can get it. USAA, technically yeah, they cover all states too, but, and this is important, you have to be in the military or part of an eligible family. So while both are national, only Farmers is truly open to everyone. That makes Farmers the clear choice for availability. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the claims process. Farmers has one of the bigger national networks for repairs and in-person support, but here's the thing. I've heard and seen some complaints about claim times dragging out longer than you want. USAA though, super fast, top-notch claims service. Everything is digital-friendly, updates come quickly, and honestly people rave about how easy it is. So in terms of actually getting your claim handled with zero headache, USAA pulls ahead. So if you're keeping score, and honestly I am, USAA comes in strong in most categories, especially with price, satisfaction, tech, and claims service. But Farmers really flexes with coverage options and is open to everyone, no questions asked. Here's my honest take. Look, if you're military or part of a military family and you want those rock-bottom prices and killer service, USAA is just kind of unbeatable. For the rest of us though, Farmers is a great pick if you want tons of add-ons and the comfort of local support. Was this comparison helpful? Stick around and follow us for more insurance breakdowns. Next time we might just save you even more.